Hello everyone. So now we are going to solve the projection of plane example, and the statement is a rectangular plane of 25 mm by 50 mm is resting on VP on one of its small side, which is inclined with HP by 30-degree angle. The surface of plane makes an angle of 45-degree with VP. Draw the projection of the plane. So as per resting condition, the plane is resting on one of its small side on VP. So that's why when I draw the true shape, so I draw a small side of this particular rectangle, that is side AB, towards the left hand, and I draw a rectangle like this. So because of this, it is possible to lift the plane on edge AB. So when we see from the front, we see the same rectangle, that is the true shape of the rectangle. And when we see it from the top, then we observe only this edge BC, and this length is a true length. So that we see in a top view. So in this way, I draw the rectangle and a true length in a top view. Take care that when you draw this rectangle, you should use the polyline command so that the entire rectangle will get selected in one click. Now the next condition, that is the surface inclination. So our second step in the solution is after drawing true shape. So this is the true shape that we draw. And after drawing the true shape, the next thing that we have to do is we have to make the surface angle. And as per statement, surface makes an angle 45-degree with VP. So now I'm going to select this true length, just select it and open copy command. So click on this copy in modify. It asks you to specify the base point. So click on any one point. So I click on B dash A dash point. Make sure that this ortho mode is on. So ortho mode is on. So I get the copied line exactly on XY. So at sufficient distance, I just click and I press escape. So here I copied this line along with the nomenclature. Now we have to make angle 45-degree of this line, and this angle is with vertical plane. So it means this line should tilt in a downward direction. So for that purpose, select the line along with nomenclature and click on rotate command. It asks you to select base point. Read the command line, specify base point. So we have to keep this A dash B dash or B dash A dash on XY. So I selected this as a base point, click on it. Then read the command line, specify rotation angle or copy reference. So we have to click on reference. So click on reference. Now click on the base point that we have selected. So B dash A dash is our base point. So this is first reference. So click on this base point. Then it asks you to specify second point. So this C dash D dash is our second reference. So click on it. And as we want angle in downward direction, so add angle as -45 and press enter. So you can see that it is tilted in a downward direction. This line is tilted in a downward direction. Now I just move this a little bit so that this will come below XY line. So this is B dash A dash, this is point C dash D dash. Now measure this angle. So this angle is 45. You can see this. So our angle is correct. Now we can take the projections. So I draw projections from this side. So this is the projector of AD, and this is projector of BC. Now I draw projector from A dash B dash, and also I draw projector from C dash D dash. I trim the unwanted parts. I open trim command. I just trim these lines. Select all these lines. Change its color to faint. That is, in properties we have to select index color 9. Now connect these corners by using the polyline, which is the new shape after getting the surface inclination. So this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D, and again back to A. Now select this, change its color to red. Now I give the nomenclature, the text, specify start point, click, height 3.5, angle of rotation 0. So this is point A, and this is point D. Similarly, over here we have this point B, and this is point C. Now once surface angle is made, so this distance BC is changed. So now in this step it is necessary that we should show this distance. So this distance is new distance, so this is shown. So this is the end of second step where we make the surface angle. And in third step, we have to make the angle of line AB as a 30 degree. So now I'm going to copy this object. So select this, open copy command, click on any point and move it. At sufficient distance, just place it and press escape. Now select this object, open rotate command. Now base point, this A is our base point. Click on reference. This A is first reference point and B is second reference point. And now add angle. So the edge inclination is 30. Add angle as 30 and press enter. So this AB makes angle 30 with XY. Now we have to take it in upward direction. So select it, go to move command, click on any point and just drag it in upward direction. Now before moving ahead, just confirm that AB angle is 30 with XY. So I selected angular, click on AB line and XY and check this angle. So this is 30. So it is correct. Now we can take the projections. So this is projector of A. It meets projector of A dash over here. So this is new position of A dash. Similarly for B, open line command. So this is projector of B dash. So make these two lines faint. To avoid confusion, so I immediately add the names to the point. So this is point A dash. Okay, so we have to give names below XY line because this is in another view. So this is point A dash and this one is point B dash. Now I can take projections from C dash D dash. So this is point C dash and this one is point D dash. So now select this, make these lines faint, trim the unwanted part, and now connect these points so by sequence. So this is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and back to A dash. So we just add the names to the point, the text. So this is point C dash, and this one is point D dash. Now I select it, change its color to red. Now measure the angle made by this line with XY. So this angle is 63, and measure linear distance between D dash C dash. So this is 22. This angle is 63. So this is the end of our last step. So here, when you see the marks distribution, so for this first step, you get 3 marks. And the condition is that you should show this distance 25 and this distance 50, and these nomenclatures should be proper. Likewise, this is AB and this is A dash B dash. So this point should be properly nomenclature should be given to it. Similarly, CD, and here it is C dash D dash. So if we did this, we get 3 marks. For next step, after 45-degree rotation, the length BC is getting reduced. So we should show this length 35 and this 45 angle. If you did this, you will get 4 marks for this. And in last step, this AB makes angle 30-degree with HP. So we have to show this angle. So this is must. And then at top view, when you project this view, all points should be identified properly, and we should show any two distances, that is either this length or and this angle, or this length and this angle. So any two lengths, new distances we should show. If we did this, we get 4 marks for it. So in this way, totally we get 11 marks for this particular solution. Thank you.